Hey guys, welcome back to Tuko Bites. I'm Chef Rachel, and today I'll be showing you one of my favorite meals I take for breakfast. It's a sandwich. It's simple, it's delicious, believe me. If you're new to this channel, remember to subscribe and click the notification bell for more amazing videos. Like and leave a comment. So let me take you through the ingredients and we get started. So for my ingredients, I have bread. You can use either white or brown depending with what you like. I have some lettuce, I have some tomatoes, cucumber, bacon, and mayonnaise. So these are just the basics and they are easy. For my bacon, I normally make a lot and then put them in a bowl, put them in the freezer. Whenever I want to use, just pick the quantity I need, I microwave, and then I'm good to go. So that's how I do it. For tomatoes, just one you slice. It doesn't take a lot of time, a minute or two, and you're done. So these are the major ingredients. So we'll start with applying some mayonnaise on our bread. So the mayo here acts like a base to hold the other condiments on the bread. I hope that you understand that part or it makes sense, yeah? Like it's that base, and then it also gives flavor to your sandwich. For this sandwich, you don't necessarily have to take it in the morning. You can have it for lunch or a snack in between there. It all depends on you and how you like it. See, for me, I like eating heavy stuff in the morning. Like, I want to feel as if I've eaten something, not something so light, and then 2 hours later I'm feeling hungry. Nah, I don't like that. So that's the first step. And then I'll just pick my lettuce and put some on my bread like that, like so. And then I have my condiments here that are already cut. I'll add some tomatoes like that, and then I'll add some cucumbers, and then I'll add some bacon. Remember, bacon you can use any. There is pork and there is beef. So if you belong to either side, when you go in the supermarket, just read the labels nicely and everyone is catered for. And avoid to use extra salt because the mayo adds flavor on the bread, and then the bacon is a bit over salted according to me. I don't know about you, but I find it like it has a lot of salt. That's why I don't season my condiments, my small vegetables here. I just go in direct with the bacon. And if you're vegetarian as well, you can do away with the bacon, and then for the mayo, you use the vegan mayo type. It's there in the supermarket, just in case. So I go in with my bacon like that. So yeah, does it look nice? It looks. And then I'm going to cover it with this other slice like that and press everything together. If you're in a hurry, you can just like wrap it, put it in your bag, and head to work. When you get to the office, you know, have a bite. Does no harm. But if you have time like me, or if you wake up early, you have time for breakfast. You know what I mean. So I'm going to cut it so that you can be able to see inside how colorful it looks and how delicious it is. You can only know it's delicious if you make it and try. So this is my favorite sandwich. I hope you can see the layers, the way the colors, you see the red, the green, the brown. Just mind-blowing, right? So guys, as I've mentioned in my previous videos, I don't like tea in the morning personally. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, I just don't like tea, coffee, you know, those hot stuff in the morning now. They're just not for me. I'll feel sleepy again. So for me, with my sandwich today, I'll be serving with a glass of blended fruits. So this is basically mango, pawpaw, banana, and kiwi. So I'll have my sandwich with this. Just looks nice, right? So guys, I hope you enjoyed spending time with me and you're going to try out this sandwich. Trust me, it's nice, it's delicious, it's everything you want to start your day with, you know. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and leave a comment and tell me what you'd like me to prepare for you next time, and definitely I will. Bye.